Today I'm revisiting abstract portraits. I already did a session on abstract portraits. I'll put the video here if you missed it. I wasn't super excited about what I was able to accomplish in that session. I felt like the portraits were not in the direction I wanted them to go in. So I'm a little bit reluctant to revisit it, but I feel like I have to push myself and try. I want to lower my expectations because I don't feel like it's great to have expectations anyways, right? I want the portraits to be expressive and spontaneous and hopefully interesting. What happened was, and I had mentioned that in the other video, I made a few abstract portraits through the years that kind of had like a quality that I really loved, and they were done very spontaneously without thinking, and it just kind of gelled. And when it happened, I had that feeling of wanting to explore it deeper and make a whole series of abstract portraits, but I never got around to it. And now I'm trying to recapture the magic, basically. And because last session didn't really work as I wanted it to, I have a little roadblock when it comes to it because of that, but I want to push through it. My strategy is to work fast and to expect nothing. So even if it doesn't come out nicely, I'm going to think of it as just one session for today, and then I'll work on it in the weeks to come until I kind of get my flow. So today I'm treating this as just loosening up, working fast, not overthinking it. I think I will be working in charcoal. Here we go. I'm really happy with how the session went. It's a lot better than last time. Last time what I felt I didn't like was the cartoony feeling that I was getting from the portraits. Now it's still present. It's not completely gone, but it's a lot less present, and I was able to move in a direction that I'm more happy with and where I want to go, where it's more expressive. And so I want to leave the cartoonish and go in a lot more abstract, basically. So I was able to get interesting texture and expressive lines for the hair and expressive eyes as well, I feel like. I think the areas that I need to work on more are the nose, the lips, like the smile is a big expressive feature in a face, you know, so that I don't think I'm getting right now. As well as the position of the head, like the profile and the different angles of the head, now it's pretty static. But still, I feel like I'm going in a cool direction, and this is gonna be an ongoing process. Like, I see myself doing a lot of practice and searching, but I feel like I'm getting closer to that like magical, spontaneous, expressive thing that I was talking about before. So that's very encouraging. I'm happy about today. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.